Hey guys, so apparently I'm live. It's been a while since I've done a live. How are you guys doing? I can see a lot of names coming in. Oh, Baba, you were waiting for me, Baba, what a romantic photo you put up today, Baba. Matlab, romance period as you were singing. आप ही का इंतजार था बाबा पूरी नेशन आपका इंतजार कर रही है जब आप आओगे और सबके छक्के छुड़ाओगे with a film. Once we're out of this, the first thing we want, Baba, is you to come and entertain us. Don't be farar for too long. Hey, I'm here. Yes, I can see a lot of people who I know saying hi to me. The Germany fan club. Hey guys, how are you? कैसे हो आप सब? ये better view है. नहीं. Thank you, Janki. I'm looking hot. Okay. Hi, Monica. Thank you for being a big fan. मैं सोच रहा था कि हम फिल्मों की बातें करेंगे लेकिन यहाँ पे तो हाय हेलो में ही टाइम निकलने वाला है. सिद्धांत कपूर मेटी चीयर्स. कैसे हो आप सब? So if I keep saying hi to all of you all and reading this will be quite a wasted live, I feel. Yes, coffee with Karan नहीं, coffee with Arjun का शौकीन हूँ मैं. पोखराज रॉय. I can have coffee on my own also sometimes. Hope you guys are safe. Hope you guys are at home. Please don't gallivant. बाहर मत घूमिए. ये बहुत ही जरूरी टाइम है for us to be able to stay indoors and protect our loved ones. तो घर पे रहिए और फिल्में देखिए. बहुत सारे लोग recommendations चाहते थे लेकिन मैं भी आप सबसे recommendation चाहता हूँ. सबसे जरूरी बात जी अफसर मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Baba, I'm trying to match your good looks. Baba, why don't you give us some recommendations except Succession? तो मैंने जब अर्जुन recommend start किया था genuinely मुझे नहीं पता था कि आज वो नौबत आएगी कि I think we would all become people who would be recommending stuff to each other and the time is now. So I thought कि मैं भी आपको कुछ चीजें recommend करता हूँ लेकिन मैं जानना चाहता था कि आप मुझे कुछ recommendation करना चाहेंगे लेकिन मुझे अभी तक एक भी recommendation नहीं सिर्फ हाय हेलो मिला है. तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं ही कुछ चीजें recommend कर देता हूँ और मैंने सोचा I'll start with things that are made in India. Like Made in Heaven. It's an amazing show. Some fantastic actors. A very very cool show. जो एक अलग नजरिया दिखाती है वेडिंग सीजन का. जिस तरह जिंदगी हिंदुस्तान में वेडिंग्स के आसपास घूमती रहती है और मान लीजिए नॉर्थ में तो बहुत ही ज्यादा स्पेशली दिल्ली में तो बहुत ही ज्यादा मायने दिए जाते हैं. So it's a very interesting show, very well performed. Sobitha is fantastic in it. So is Arjun, who's very, very good, a very gutsy role. Jim is superb. Kalki is so good. So a show that you guys should watch. I think Excel has paid me a lot of money to say this, so I'm going to say it. But genuinely, बहुत अच्छा show है. I think you guys will enjoy it. I haven't made a list or anything. मैं actually सोच रहा था आप लोग कुछ recommend करेंगे. लेकिन एक फिल्म है, आप सबने देखा होगा Parasite won the best Oscar. Bong Joon-ho, who is the director, was actually somebody who was making some amazing films before. और Netflix पे उनकी एक ऐसी फिल्म है जो शायद आज, I think today it has a lot of value. It's a film called Snowpiercer. It has Chris Evans, who's Captain America for most of us. It's an amazing film. It speaks about the divide between rich and poor getting more and more and more, and it deals with how maybe, and I hate saying this, but in a very surreal way, where we are heading as a society, where I don't think the earth will be inhabitable beyond a point and people will have to keep moving to survive. It's based inside a train. And the villain is very fascinating. That's played by Tilda Swinton. Action hai, bahut mazedar film hai. And now they're making a show on it also. Yes, Ria, you're calling me Charge while I'm trying to give this narration of Snowpiercer. So I think you guys will enjoy Snowpiercer. Thodi hatke hai. But I know a lot of people are recommending Contagion and stuff like that. But if Contagion is too honest for you at this point, Baba, even I can't wait for social distancing to get over so we can smother each other. जैसे हमने पिछले महीने किया था जो अभी तक आया नहीं है content बाहर. So Snowpiercer might work for most people who want a little more subtle messaging about what's going on right now in life today. Yeah, but मुझे कोई recommendation क्यों नहीं दे रहा, मैं ये देखना चाहता हूँ. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि मुझे रिकमेंडेशन क्यों. तो चलो मैं बताता हूँ इस साल जो मैंने फिल्म देखी हाल ही में. आई थिंक इट विल बी आउट ऑन एप्पल टीवी सून इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन. मुझे एंड बिकॉज रणवीर इज ऑनलाइन राइट नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट 2 hero films. I think when you see Christian Bale and Matt Damon together, It's amazing that they can coexist and have their own parallel performances and still make a great film. I think a very underrated director, James Mangold, who's made he's made 3:10 to Yuma, he's made Wolverine, he's made Logan, he's made some amazing films. And Ford versus Ferrari, I think, is right up there. It's a drama, it's a character piece, and I think you care more for what happened with the race because he's made two very fascinating characters come to life. Both of them very well performed. I think अगर आप Christian Bale के fan हैं तो you should see another two-hero film that he's done, which I feel is very underrated, with Mark Wahlberg, called The Fighter, made by David O. Russell. I think as actors, we young actors don't tend to do that very often. We should come together and do more gundagardi, do more films that encourage each other to build our fan base. But Ford versus Ferrari, truly performance-wise, the story, the material that's in there, mind-blowing picture hai yaar, mind-blowing, मतलब genuinely. Yes, I am missing football. Go live with Ranveer. I think that's a bit difficult. Dark Waters, yeah, Baba. Very, very, very underrated film, Dark Waters. Thodi si moody hai. It's a mood piece, So you can Sunny, good one. Train to Busan, another relevant film. It's like World War Z, if you guys have seen that. But yeah, Dark Waters, very moody, true story about what happened, and very relevant as well again. Would you write a cinema? Yeah, I would, yeah, but अभी मतलब मेरी लिखाई मैं तुझे narrate कर दूंगा यार cinema story तू लिख देना ठीक है I'll give you voice notes about it but very relevant film, amazing film, underrated film. Shutter Island, very good film Nidhi, actually. You guys will enjoy it. I think it's there on Netflix or Amazon. I'm not sure. अभी याद नहीं आ रहा. Ford versus Ferrari का remake directed by Ali Abbas Awar. नहीं, I think Baba he's not into remakes, or actually he is into remakes. But let's not go into details. Yeah, Money Heist is great. Money Heist is another great show. Succession, Loudest Voice. I think I've spoken about all these shows. Let me check what I'm missing that I've been watching that I can recommend. I saw Valhalla Murders. I saw the entire season of Valhalla Murders in the last few days. We were watching it, and it's really well made. It's an Icelandic show. It just shows that the world today, across the world, there is good content being made. It's a murder mystery based in a true environment. And हम लोग Iceland तो गए नहीं है काफी सारे हम में से. That is the closest that we can get to Iceland at this point in time. If any of you actually like watching shows that maybe are over and you want to catch up, so House of Cards, there's a show called Lost which I love. And I think Lost started it all. I know Mad Men, Lost, these are shows that don't maybe show up right now when we talk about it. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि J.J. Abrams, who's the guy who made the third Mission Impossible, he also ended up making so many other fantastic films. Recently, he's done Star Trek and Star Wars films. He made a film called Super 8, which was inspired by the Spielberg space of films. I think at the end of the day, it all started with Lost, all binge watching. It all started with Lost. I think most of us will agree. तभी 24 एपिसोड होते थे, 24 एपिसोड्स मिलते थे और पूरे साल वेट करके डीवीडी का पैक आता था. आई डोंट नो इफ आई हैव अ डीवीडी पैक. आई हैव सेव्ड इट इन माय स्टोरेज. डीवीडी पैक आया करता था और मैं देखा करता था. आई यूज्ड टू लव इट. There's another film it's lying here which I saw recently which I can recommend. I saw it on Blu-ray. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सबको मिलेगी. It's a film called Road to Perdition. So Road to Perdition stars Tom Hanks, who we all hope has recovered. Paul Newman, may his soul rest in peace, fantastic actor, and Jude Law. Directed by Sam Mendes. अगर आप लोगों ने विक्रम फडनिस, you are as beautiful but I will not talk to you. अगर आप लोगों ने हाल ही में 1917 देखी है, so Sam Mendes is the director of 1917, also the director of a few Bond films for most people who are a little more commercial. Sam Mendes was married to Kate Winslet, made Revolutionary Road, which is a little more eccentric, not eccentric, what's the right word? It's more Harshvardhan than me. But yeah, Road to Perdition, one of the best short films, based in Chicago, based on a comic book. The detailing, the performances, it's a father-son story. It's a father-son story in a Paul Newman, Tom Hanks and his son. Great ensemble. And well, trivia for you all, since we have all the time in the world, और आप लोग कहीं नहीं जा रहे हो. The most amazing part about Road to Perdition is it stars Daniel Craig in a role where he's not even on a poster, he's not even credited. And little did we know that he will become James Bond. So yeah. बहुत बोला मैंने. I can actually talk to you about if I can I flip it without it. Yeah, I can. Now I can just flip you to kind of make you realize where I am. That's Deadpool. I'm sure all of you all have seen Deadpool. लाल सिंह चड्डा आ रही है, तो जिन्होंने अभी तक फॉरेस्ट गंप नहीं देखी, अगर आप देखना चाहोगे, आई वाज विद आमिर सर रिसेंटली. कहाँ गया यार? I was with Amir sir recently, and he was talking about how excited he is and how they're officially remaking Forrest Gump. But Forrest Gump is Forrest Gump, and I showed you the poster of a film called Usual Suspects, and I'll show you the detail inside that. That's तो बहुत बेहतरीन शॉट है यूजुअल सस्पेक्ट में, जहाँ पे कब गिरता है. दैट रियली डिफाइंस a lot of things of Usual Suspect, जो कुछ हिंदी फिल्मों में भी कॉपी किया गया. बट I can see people are just very happy that Ranveer and me spoke through this. Yeah, I play PS4, Arjun Holic. मैं FIFA खेलता हूँ, लेकिन बहुत एडिक्टिव और रात भर सोता नहीं हूँ, तो ये डार्क सर्कल्स बढ़ जाते हैं, इसलिए कंट्रोल करता हूँ. मैं क्या बोल रहा था यार, भुला दिया तुम लोग ने. Baba, you want some happy recommendations? Okay. Watch Modern Love, Baba. It is so beautiful. 10 beautiful episodes of fantastic actors just celebrating romance. You are the king of romance, as we see with your Instagram. You are romantic about everything. But Baba, yesterday I was very upset. आपने मेरे सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया. मैंने पूछा था that how is your father the most good looking man in the world, and you still haven't answered that. So you need to answer that. But yeah, Modern Love is beautiful. I think you'll enjoy it. I'm sure Deepika and you have seen it and enjoyed it also. But yeah, अभी subtle, soft, romantic picture है या comedy. I saw The Other Guys the other day. So anybody who's a Will Ferrell fan, Mark Wahlberg fan, Sucheta, not all episodes are nice, few are nice, but that's fine. I saw The Other Guys. So I remember seeing Other Guys before I became an actor. It has a mind-blowing star cast. It is really funny. It's a buddy cop film. So it's like if you guys like Dishoom, or if you guys have liked films like that, me and Rohit Dhawan, Varun's brother, we keep discussing how films like Other Guys are so cool. It has Dwayne Johnson, it has Samuel L. Jackson in cameos. It has Mark Wahlberg and Will Ferrell. And actually Will Ferrell is playing the goof, but he has the best role in the film. There's Eva Mendes. There's Stephen Coogan. There's Michael Keaton. मतलब क्या ensemble है, unbelievable, और इतनी funny film है. Baba, I know you will enjoy Pineapple Express again, so go watch it and enjoy yourself. Thank you Harsh for being my fan. Thank you so much. अब मुझे पता भी नहीं, मैं बक किए जा रहा हूँ और आप लोग टाइम. Yes, we all must watch Gully Boy. बहुत hard. But if Baba, why don't you do a live and play out all your characters? Just do. Tell me something I don't know, and just play out all your characters. Just be Khilji for a bit, just be Simba for a bit. That might be fun. Siddharth Chaudhary, Gunda on repeat. Siddharth, Gunda on repeat नहीं, अभी तो गुंडे होना चाहिए on repeat. But मैं तेरे emotion को समझ रहा हूँ मेरे बंटी. Love you too, Addy. Hey Akshat, thank you so much. I have a feeling I have just spoken basically to Ranveer in this. That's all I've done. So I don't know what is this. How do I add Ranveer? I can't add Ranveer unless he doesn't want to be added, na? How do I do that? I'm sorry, I'm struggling a bit. Okay, so I can answer questions also. I didn't even know this. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at this right now. ये क्या है? अबे स्नेहा जाला कितनी बार देखूं बाजीराव? उसको रोज मिलता हूं मैं अपने सपनों में. हाँ ठीक है, देखूंगा बाजीराव मस्तानी, फिर से देखूंगा. फैंटास्टिक फिल्म. तू जाके पानीपत देख, ठीक है? मैं बाबा की बाजीराव देखता हूँ, वो पानीपत और तानाजी भी देख सकता है. एक्चुअली अनदर गुड फिल्म, सुपर फिल्म. अगर 300 करोड़ का धंधा किया पिक्चर ने, तो आई एम श्योर सबने देखी होगी. जिन्होंने नहीं देखी, बहुत मजेदार फिल्म है तानाजी. इट्स आउट ऑन हॉटस्टार नाउ. यू गाइस कैन गो एंड वॉच इट. इट्स एन अमेजिंगली एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म. हिंदी सीरीज योगेश अभी बात की, आप फैमिली मैन देख सकते हैं, मिर्जापुर देख सकते हैं, मेड इन हेवन देख सकते हैं. मैंने स्पेशल ऑप्स देखी नहीं, मैंने सुना बहुत अच्छी है. मैं देखना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन देख नहीं पाया हूँ. पर टाइम ही टाइम है तो जरूर देख लूंगा. नीरज पांडे, मास्टर स्टोरी टेलर, स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू एस्पियोनाज. तो या I think you should start a chain and give challenges. How you told Ranveer to go live with all his characters. Sucheta, why can't you just message me this? Being my manager, you can call me anytime and tell me this. Okay, how do I add Ranveer? I don't think I can add him unless he wants to be added, guys. I don't think you guys are realizing that work with Varun Dhawan. Yeah, right now तो बाबा बॉस इज हियर, मतलब कहाँ से लेके आऊं तेरे को? ओ गॉड. If he answers, I'm supposed to go live with him right now. I'm trying it, but it's not connecting. Okay, my connection sucks. Hey, beer biceps, the other Ranveer. Baba, Rohit Shetty ka ghar mere bagal mein. I can't really make a film with him, but I can go out and wave to him if you want. Yes, I am playing Football Manager. That's also another reason why I end up staying awake late at night. Uh, some of you all want to see my Blu-ray collection. Well, it's inside of my room now, but uh, I can show it to you all. But आज के लिए इतना काफी है, कुछ बचा के रखते हैं अगली बार के लिए. It's been quite a lot of fun actually. I can't go live with Virushka. I don't think Virat and Anushka will go live together on their own. Also, they're very private that way. When will I work with Shraddha? जब मौका मिले. Hello from Nepal. Hello back to you guys. Stay safe, stay indoors. Um, uh, you guys are being really nice and telling me to take care, but I want you all to also take care and stay indoors. It is important. Thank you, Deep, for liking my film. Um, so yeah, this is the first time I've done this. It's actually been a lot of fun. और 20 मिनट गुजर गए पता भी नहीं लगा. काफी सारे लोग आए जिन्होंने मस्ती भी की. I hope the recommendations work for you all. I'm trying to think of any offhand recommendations that I have. When it comes to films, so many choices and so many thought processes. But I'll try and start doing this once every few days now, since we have all the time in the world, and maybe get you guys to watch. When will we see Arjun ka in director mode? Soon, yeah, not so soon. अरे रोहित शेट्टी से सर आज आज आ रहा है टेरेस पे. आला रे आला बाबा आला. सिम्बाचा बजेट नाही आहे आज माझ्याकडे. मी आणणार. मी येतो आणि क्लास घेतो. टेल रणवीर समथिंग ही डजंट नो. सर आपके लिए टेरेस पे क्या? नहीं, इस वक्त टेरेस तक ही आने को तैयार हूँ, बिकॉज वरना प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. मैं टेरेस पे आज रोहित शेट्टी सर से मिलूंगा, गुफ्तगू करेंगे हम लोग, और मैं आपके लिए फोटो कोशिश करूंगा पोस्ट करने की. वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मीट रोहित सर इन नॉन वर्क मोड. आई विल बी वन ऑफ द फॉर्चुनेट फ्यू विल गेट टू सी हिम इन नॉट वर्किंग मोड. So yeah, just off the cuff, I think you guys can enjoy watching. There's The Crown on Netflix if you haven't seen it. There's Money Heist, अगर आपने Netflix पे नहीं देखी वो भी बहुत अच्छी है. Like I said, Succession, Loudest Voice I've already recommended. अभी offhand और कुछ आ नहीं रहा. मैंने Stranger देखना शुरू किया जो बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं है, actually quite interesting. Um, what else? What else यार? कुछ यार तुम लोग सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं यार, मैं क्या देखूं? I keep suggesting to you all what to watch. I love Mardani too. I saw it. It's on Amazon. I love Good News. जब मैंने देखी थी, मैंने सबको फोन किया था, पर मैं आजकल ट्वीट कम करता हूँ तो ट्विटर पे नहीं बोल पाया था. Good News is mind blowing. दिलजीत पाजी दिल जीत लिया. अक्षय पाजी दिल जीत लिया. करीना, you guys know what I feel about Kareena. Kiara, I loved her also. I was telling her the other day that it's surprising to see her do so many different films in one year and pull it off. So all of them were really, really good. But Mardani too, very entertaining and a great watch at home. There's a show called Elite apparently it's a Spanish show which is supposed to be quite good. It's like a mix between Riverdale and Gossip Girl. So in case you guys want to watch that. और क्या? Guilty. So this I owe to Akanksha and Gurfateh. Watch Guilty. I'm sure you all are watching it, but watch it. It's actually a terrific watch. Baba, for you, subtle comedy called Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I think you will enjoy that a lot. Yeah, so I'm trying to think about other stuff that I can recommend there. Baba, watch The Nice Guys. Please watch it. I don't know which watch it on. It's Russell Crowe and Ryan Gosling. Just watch it. It's mind blowing. You will enjoy it. It's two men just playing off each other. Crazy Stupid Love. I just remember Ryan Gosling suddenly through Mr. Nice Guy. Through Nice Guys. Watch Mr. Nice Guy. Jackie Chan की फिल्म. मैं बोलते ही रहूंगा, रात हो जाएगी. देख भाई, तुझे पासवर्ड देने की जरूरत नहीं है. तू अपने आप में ही पासवर्ड है, खोल के लगा ले. हम्म, चलो बहुत हो गया। आई थिंक आप लोग पक गए होंगे, मैं आऊंगा वापस जरूर, बट टिल देन टेक केयर एंड टूडल्स।